So I'm Tom Land, founder and director of Landwrx Limited. We started the company 6 years ago, pre-COVID. Background's always been design and sort of agricultural engineering, but grew up farming. Dad's a contractor, both grandparents farm, so have every aspect and understanding of farming. Just chose to go down the route of engineering, but wanted to keep it agricultural, so it kind of meant the best of both worlds, you know, designing agricultural equipment. It took aspects of what I knew and I'm passionate about, and yeah, just starting a business doing that is a lot more difficult than what you think. So yeah, studied agricultural engineering or mechanical engineering degree at university. Cut my teeth at CAD on that, so computer-aided design. So yeah, got about 15 years of experience on computer-aided design now. After university, started with Mzuri. Very grateful for them. Absolutely amazing starting job. Amazing tutor. Can't thank them enough for what I learned there. But yeah, I always had this burning passion to sort of do it for myself, design and develop equipment for myself and create a legacy and a name that would hopefully outlast me. So yeah, loved my time there and learned heaps. Just decided to take it solo, really. I know that would be a daunting, prospect to some. It really is chicken or the egg, like starting business. Like, do you develop a good product and market it, or do you go and find a market and develop a product? So it took a little bit of time to sort of develop where I wanted to go with machinery, and kind of at the time saw a lot of biodigesters and maize growers in this area, and a sort of a need to protect watercourses. We're in the Wye Valley. So yeah, kind of keeping soil in the field and a need to sort of keep living roots in the ground all year was a big sort of like, opportunity, I think. It was an opportunity to develop sustainable farming and machines to be able to do that. So yeah, we saw a lot of stuff from America and Europe about relay cropping, undersowing. So having your cash crop grow in there and then being able to drill or sow another crop in between. So you're never without, bare ground. I saw it as sort of like an opportunity. Landwrx is a one-stop shop, really. We design, we develop, manufacture, and we sell direct to customer at the minute. So at the minute we've got 2 products in our range. We've got a low disturbance subsoiler, and we've got a Varia seed drill for undersowing, cover cropping. So we're proudly a British company. Everything's designed, developed, manufactured here, built in this very workshop. We've got small, humble beginnings. It's been quite hard work getting to where we are, but the joy is in seeing the machines working in the fields and seeing them working for our customers, doing a great job. The development of the machines has been worked really closely with customers. It's so nice to be able to get their feedback. Everyone's a good designer, and you've got to take points on board. And when you see opportunities to develop something that's pointed out by a customer, I think it's great. We just love the fact we can work with customers and develop products for their needs, and proudly in the UK. Although we're small and have humble beginnings, we're very proud of what we produce here, and long may it continue. Okay, I've thought about this quite a bit. One is if you have passion, don't give up. Don't give up on it. There'll be times where you really want to say this isn't worth it, but You've got to stick at it, and every time I thought, oh, you know, give up, you know, 12 months down the line, you're so grateful you didn't. So yeah, it's about you know, resistance, I guess, or resilience. It's about resilience and passion, I think. Passion for what you do. I haven't borrowed a penny, so yeah, like growing within your means, I think is growing without investment then is quite difficult. Most rewarding thing is seeing the machines in the field, yeah, 100%. Taking that product that you've looked at for absolutely hours on a screen and seeing how it engages with the soil, how seeds grow after it, how the customer interacts with it, that is by far and away the most rewarding part of the job. We just want to keep making great products. We've got loads of ideas. I guess all that's holding that back is demand, and yeah, we watch the space really.